Alright, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the School Annual Science Fair. We have three esteemed judges with us today, Judges 1 and Judges 2. Let's jump right into the exciting world of science. Our first presenter is Student 1 with their project on the effect of soil types of planet growth. Students 1, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Kana. I'm from Senior High School Widyatama, located in Cibanari, Cibogoto. And this, I want to present to you, the judges, different types of soil that affect the plant growth. As you can see, on the first plant, it's just a normal soil or a soil with no nutrients at all. And the second one is the soil with many nutrients. So I think it will boost the plant growth so very fast, different the other one. I think according to my experience in growing this plant, on the first soil, as I wait for 1 week, this plant is just only this long. And for the second soil, I wait for 2 weeks or 1 week. It has grown so much bigger like this. I think that's all from me. I think thank you very much.
Next presenter is Student 2.
Hello everyone. Hello judges. My project was about solar panel efficiency, and I investigated this is solar panel. I investigated how exposure the light affects to energy production, and my hypothesis was more the light it will be, more effects about energy production, and I believe that the solar panel will cut your all costs, and you don't need PLN anymore maybe. And I just know that about my solar panel investigated, and I hope my investigated will be used by many people, and I hope it will be useful for everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you for Student 2 for your good explanation. So the next presenter is delivered by Student 2.
Hello everyone, my name is Latika. Here my project is explore the factor of influence the boiling point of water. Here there are 5 research. The first boiling point of water, the second alcohol effect, and the third relationship, the fourth experiment, and the last is control variable. The first is boiling point of water. The boiling point of water is the temperature at the water changes from liquid to gas. And the second is altitude effort, that is reference to evaporation or height above sea level. And the third is relationship. The hypothesis suggests that when we go to higher phase, where the atmosphere pressure is lower. And the fourth, that is experiment. This is very important to test the hypothesis. We need to conduct experiment at the different heights and measure the boiling point of water. And the last is control variable. It is important to control other factors that can affect the boiling point. Okay, maybe that's all.
Okay, thank you, Student 3. For the next is... Oh my god! It seems that Student 1 has some trouble. Oh, yeah, just please evaluate.
Be calm.
Handle this person and apply what you will
Clean. I will clean it. Be calm, and make sure no mess is left in this. Okay, but safety first. I must find plastic.
please.
Safety first.
You done?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Now our student be ready to answer question about your research. Done research. Okay, Farel.
Yes.
What your hypothesis about
My hypothesis is about this project is that I want to know if we plant the plant with different soil, how it will affect its growthness. I think that is my hypothesis for this project.
and I maybe what your hypothesis?
After the request to evaluation or higher, the temperature which change from liquid to gas.
Alright, question for Sito. What factors influence the efficiency of solar panels in converting sunlight into electricity?
Okay, I think with my hypothesis, it will be more sunlight will be more effective use producing energy with itself.
And how long did it take for you?
For me, it takes a month to make this project a success. It means that 1 week for this plant and 2 weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks for this plant.
And where is your book?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Where I don't see your book.
I'm so sorry, Miss. It's difficult to discuss for my project.
Alright, for question for Farel, how do different soil types impact the growth of plants?
So the impact of different soil types is, I think, is very significant. As you can see from plant A, it's grows really long, but for plant B, it grows so fast and so much bigger. It's bigger than the plant A.
And for Ani, can you explain the relationship between the altitude and the boiling point of water?
Maybe the higher any altitude and the lower the air pressure, it will make the boiling point of water lower than at the altitude.
Okay. Maybe next agenda. Your decision. We have now your presentation with scoring rubric, and we can calculation and what do you think?
I think Farel can capture the audience attention with an interesting style.
I
And-
think
And for Vito, the explanation of the concept is clear and easy for the audience to understand. And for Ani, provides prices information about factors that influence the boiling point of water, and Ani is able to present strong argument to support her claim, and the argument is supported by strong evidence.
Okay, thank you judges for your thought and fair evaluation. Science for participants, well done on your engaging presentation and handling unexpected experiment failure.